The copper, you never call me for inspection. I have a right to say, you kena korek semua, I mau tengok you punya copper. As a consultant, I have a right.
Yeah.
Because I want to see how you do the collection.
The copper.
Okay. The collection is put here. Okay. When you have to do the collection here, join to the copper, I might have to know. And then certain area that you are going to see, ma. Right. I might have to know. I must tell jangan goyang, right? Or you must do. But you never do. Okay, you fail to follow the procedure of the instation. But never mind. Okay, next time roll. Go to them, under don't do that. Okay, sini balik sini. Mana sini? Berapa jauh ke?
75.
Jauh. Berapa jauh?
B ya, 75.
75. Berapa ohm? Okay, ini berapa ohm? Sudah.
Ini 0.2 lah.
Ini ambil gambar semua orang. Proof proof semua sini. Okay. Okay. Action sini tu action.
Action lah. Action.
Ambil gambar semua.
Ya, alright.
Jadi masuk RFI gambar belakang kami dapat dari. Okay. So this one. Lagi mungkin lagi.
Light. Okay.
This one for what? Ingat RFI assemble. Itu lightning. Wah, jangan bagi tadi ni goreng orang tak faham. Orang call aku semua orang.
Okay.
Dah start balik elok pelan-pelan bercantik ha. Come. System request. You know
What?
So, discuss with the subman how want to get the system request. Mau tambah jembat berapa orang bikin ada tahu.